Gizmo's so excited. Watch out, Gizzy. Don't want you to get scratched up, pup. Once I get it open, I'll come back. Alright, there it go. Finally got my own. See what's going on the inside here. Alright then. Alright. Charger. There you go. Blue one like I want it. Oh man. Dang, I didn't think it was this heavy. Watch out, Gizmo. There you go, y'all. That's it right there. I'll be back. Alright. So I got it. I'm gonna charge it up. You see it's blue, and I'm finna customize it. Got my own little stuff to customize this. I ain't trying to be like everybody else. Y'all know I'm different. So when y'all see it, it's still gonna be blue, but it's gonna have some little protective sticker things on it. Be back. Alright, I'm done customizing it. Got my little monkey stickers on there. Supposed to protect it from scratches and stuff. So let's hope so. I got it charging right now. But give me a second and y'all will see me on it for the first time.